me sense me go me kebia me nya problem me said the matter na me kebia kire wa wo besu about we me srawo e mo obi a men ballot box ibeku ma me nka monje screen record about wa ye betui enipa bewu any abattoir in this country. But Jimia, what do you have 5,000? Eh, higher quine. Why? You're paying for no. Now, something you are paying no all my money and no classy Abram, one quank.
Say this: anybody that will take money, receive money to manipulate the outcome of the election. Anybody that will do anything to cause the blood of anybody to be shed, a curse will come upon you and all your descendants. Madu kawasan kelei tu kawahan delumba la hasalaya awandu kasalamita.
Ebusuamu akwaba about too much age. Meso se when you first mado video to already more. Subscribe page name me Adoma na so send me upload bi anso na onsa ebetumi aka. Ebusua ye wo election year na e papa Archbishop Duncan Williams abekasa na nensem obeka ye no ode enu mensem bi egu kwan mu a ne nyina afa abato a e abeto yi ho na Abram be Moshe nso ede ne ho abeto asemu Abram kire se ministers bi e na ase da planning sa dunso no se ne be ya ombeti megina so e dia promote omo business a omo ye na answer ne be cha ase ye no ye fa Archbishop Duncan William ne no me nsem ode begu abonte no ye ndi kan fa no nto no mo mi wie a na ma bo nchiremu e wode Abram so dia beto abonte no.
Say this: anybody that will take money, receive money to manipulate the outcome of the election, anybody that will do anything to cause the blood of anybody to be shed, to kidnap anybody, to cause any kind of what I call organized armed robbery, to create violence, to cause anybody's blood to be shed, a curse will come upon you and all your descendants. Madu kawasan kelei tu kawahan delumba la hasalaya awandu kasalamita. Let their projections backfire. Let their imagination backfire. Let their expectation backfire. Let their devices backfire. Let their divination come to a halt. And yea, we intercept their enchantment and their incantations. Let it come to a halt. Bonaya kusan kelu tawahan ikafan kawan isundu kalihamazan.
It was your voice we heard the voice of the Archbishop. Na otie the way a ne tons no esifa ko e na onze oluman ne niabre ye pass this time around no onye kom on tenase din ema eniema enginesi mu into odi kind the sign same way to abonten no obi aya aware say oko left this what is there for you na so by the right way is what this what is there for you. And I think say it's a nice thing I was say ye nyina na appreciate the Archbishop for doing this. Na fa ebusuya yenti nia Abram be Moshe nso abeka amen ne me no kase IGP epenache no na obeboa no ewo investigation na on be free ase aye no
me sense me go me kebia me nya problem me said the matter na me kebia kire wa wo besu about we me srawo e mo obi a men ballot box ibeku ma me nka monje screen record about wa ye betui enipa bewu any abattoir in this country. But Jimia, what do you have 5,000? Higher quine. Why? You're paying for no. Now, something you are paying no all my money and no classy Abram, one quank. Some will say, Jimmy. Mese video me say payini be hwa obo say Abram has information nimu nyansa di anu wo bani no akodi anu e wo Mali No wamana ye four. No wakraba chabam. Politicians intentionally created tumso so that they will import power banks. They will import solar machines so that they will import generators. The number one importer of generators in Nigeria are politicians because they have a bad lighting system. Okay, politicians intentionally created a problem and come as good people. I was saying you have proper drainage system every area. Okay. Ensioto na yiri na obi na omaba omonye drainage system no na emomunim. Say drainage system ni yiri na kuni pa no ma be donating money to the family of the deceased. Who created the problem? Politician. No aba. Ya ba ya. Eye awrakosem se modehye no efri mu. Na NDC ana MPP abanya tisui esan se ye dwene mu hunte no ya ba. Ye kra yensem 10,000 Ghana. Because who be that? For a politician, 10,000 Ghana is coins. Obian type coins. For a politician, 10,000 Ghana are coins. No way 10,000 Ghana. Yamamo 10,000 Ghana. Yemianum so mo ha ensuo no efa mo TV, efa mo fridge, efa mo niamano. Ye the student mattress buy, pacho student mattress saying 400 Ghana, 350 ubenya student mattress. I am telling you how stupid you are. Uni mechi ejai. No abro student mattress. Obi ana woda orthopedic mattress so. Obi ana woda dem TV boho. Uwa woni ma papa bi no. Ko hwe. Baby a dynamite ne blasting e fra was say. Mont kai me. Baby a dynamite ne ku nipa no. Ko krom wona ko hwe. And someone made it to say it was a deliberate action. Appear tea or say appear tea or say appear tea. Kohona kwa. Yeah, Jiasasana will be to go to Massa. Yeah, Jiasasano. Almost so very assassin who said, Baby Amoteno, and you go to Kwana Mwe Jimmy. Tibe kumwe free ho.
Obi si trodo e matwa. Yakasia etie nsemo a yebra peni Abram Moshe de abeto abonte. Na ne obi no be kire aban Jumedi a ewoso di omankasa nim jumedi a ewoso mudi se wo so mo invite Abram Moshe no mebo mo wo investigation mo a then I think say a school so mo invite ne so a then I mean say they know what to do ebusua cha comment wase wona mi hu ha wo si faji me video we na fe ni di mo a subscribe to my page and press on the bell so na me upload bia so na mo sabeti maka akra